Exposing the dark side of AI in the workplace. Are we sacrificing our humanity for efficiency? Let's find out. As AI continues to infiltrate our workplaces, it's crucial to examine the broader implications. Automation has always shaken up the workplace, but AI brings a new twist. Unlike the mechanical automation of the past, AI is designed to think, learn, and adapt. Unlike traditional automation, AI learns and mimics our cognitive abilities, potentially outperforming us in our own roles. This isn't just about machines doing manual labor, it's about machines taking on tasks that require human-like thinking, potentially outperforming us in our own roles. Imagine an AI that can analyze data faster than any human, predict market trends with uncanny accuracy, or even create art and music. The possibilities are endless, but so are the risks. Many executives are laser-focused on AI's financial benefits, seeing dollar signs and productivity boosts. But here's the catch. In the rush to automate, we risk fragmenting jobs and creating inequality. Think about it. In the rush to automate, we risk fragmenting jobs and creating inequality. Think about it. When AI takes over repetitive tasks, it leaves humans with only the most complex decision-making roles. This might sound like a good thing, but it can lead to a highly polarized workforce. AI could take over repetitive tasks, leaving humans only with complex decision-making roles. This shift can create a divide between those who have the skills to handle these complex tasks and those who don't. But what happens to the displaced workers? They're often pushed into low-wage, low-skill jobs, widening the socio-economic gap. This isn't just a theoretical concern, it's a reality for many workers today. They're often pushed into low-wage, low-skill jobs, widening the socio-economic gap. The jobs that remain for these displaced workers are often less fulfilling and offer fewer opportunities for advancement. A 2023 study showed that 47% of jobs are at risk of being automated, and those most affected are often the least prepared. This statistic is a wake-up call for all of us, and those most affected are often the least prepared. The workers who are most vulnerable to automation are also the ones who have the least access to retraining and education. This polarization can erode job quality and morale, making your workforce feel undervalued and insecure. But there's hope. We can take steps to mitigate these risks. Instead of focusing solely on technology, leaders should invest in job enrichment and training. By providing opportunities for continuous learning and development, companies can help their employees adapt to the changing landscape. Imagine a future where humans and AI collaborate seamlessly. In this future, AI handles the mundane, freeing up humans for creative and strategic tasks. This isn't just a utopian dream, it's a realistic goal if we approach AI integration thoughtfully. AI handles the mundane, freeing up humans for creative and strategic tasks. This collaboration can lead to more innovative solutions and a more engaged workforce. Investing in human-centered job creation and augmentation isn't just ethical, it's smart business. Companies that prioritize their employees' well-being and development are more likely to succeed in the long run. Companies that prioritize human-AI collaboration see higher employee satisfaction and long-term success. When employees feel valued and supported, they are more productive and loyal. So next time you're tempted to splurge on the latest AI tech, remember that sustainable growth and organizational stability come from valuing your human capital just as much as the artificial kind. Remember, sustainable growth and organizational stability come from valuing your human capital just as much as the artificial kind. By fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous learning, companies can create a more resilient and adaptable workforce. Let's build a future where AI enhances our work, not replaces it. This vision requires a commitment to ethical AI practices and a focus on human-centered design. After all, the true strength of any organization lies in its people. By investing in our workforce and embracing AI as a tool for enhancement rather than replacement, we can create a more equitable and prosperous future for all.